Hi guys, welcome back to my simple channel. YT for you. On this occasion I will discuss the latest web application with minimum payment is $2, but before, please subscribe to support this new video update channel. Okay, go directly to the discussion. For those who have not logged in the website, you can visit the link in the description, thanks. Okay, we immediately discussed how to get points. Now we click line 3 in the top right corner. Then click point. We look for the earnings menu, select my points. The first way to get the point is by commenting any post and earn 1 point. The second, by creating a new post will get 1 point. The third, by reacting on any post will get 1 point. So the point is here guys. We have to do a lot of comments, make posts, and reacting posts and get a lot of points. Okay, then we click my earnings. This is a menu to exchange points. I will try to exchange it. Wow, it turns out it can't because my balance isn't enough, hehe. Okay, the last one is the VIP way to quickly withdraw is by inviting friends. Invite friends to register through your link and will get 5 cents. The more people you join, the more dollars you get. Okay, now I will demonstrate to get the points. Can you see? This website has been proven to pay only in an easy way. Like this. Like posts. Likes. Likes. What the hell, man? Okay, move the post. Like, reacting post. Then comment. See, my point increases. Okay, maybe that's what I can say. Thank you for watching until it's over. Thank you.